Un aplauso para mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
So I'm really early to class today because I thought my class was by 9 a.m. but it's actually by 11:15. So I don't really have anything to do right now. But then I came to get matcha because I tried it last week and I absolutely fell in love with it. Anyways, I'm not sure I like how I do my hair today, but it isn't so bad. So I'm going to Primark with my friends because I need to get something and I rallied everybody to follow me. You sure it's this one? There's grams over there. This or this? Which one's finer?
I think this one is more beautiful.
This one?
Yeah. This one is more strong. Like,
It looks
they won't
stronger.
break. It's gonna break easy.
I'm going with this. Then
Are these for like
oil
no?
and stuff. I know this one is for oil.
Okay.
This is for, I don't know, honey. Bottles. I was deciding either this, or this. But these ones are cheap, so it's out of it.
Okay.
This one's kind of tiny.
Narrow, yeah.
So it's out of it. So this or this.
I like this one because you don't like pink. So like yeah.
Yeah, the beige color looks cute.
Yeah, the beige one is like cute.
I have decided.
Yeah. And there are more around there if you wanna like take a look. Oh, sorry.
going to get confused again.
No, this one is good. This one is like but there is no harm.
Don't eat mine.
These are for Easter. These are like candles, you know.
Ooh, creamy vanilla. Yeah. YouTube. Yeah.
You have all the like French fries and over there as well. So you collect.
I found something. Feels like I exchanged the coats with the skirts. Okay.
Let's get this in L size. No, it's medium. You should buy this. It will fit you. Let's see. You can try it. They're looking good with that. That you saw the mannequin. Which are cute ones? Can you guys please tell me? I need to buy two. These are big. There it is, there it is. These ones are yes. Oh, are you sure? Yeah. Yeah, we bought it. Yes. And one more, and one more. It's excess.
This is why I said you should drop that. No, you said you wouldn't say that.
There's a line. No, Primark. Can you go to the sitting room which is downstairs? Should I go and first take a look if there is a line or not? Then I'll message you to come downstairs. Yeah.
Doesn't have to be the exact. Hey,
Oh, but see, they have this to me.
it wasn't the art. It was the art.
See you on what day?
Thursday.
Yeah.
When is your next class? tomorrow.
We also have class tomorrow. Am I the only one who's lucky? East London.
No, not London.
No.
Alright, you're fine.
You live in London. Where do you live? Side,
What time? I just got home and let me bring the flower vase that I got. These are the flowers. Sorry. These are the flowers that I want to keep. But first of all, I ordered this nightwear. I actually got it this morning, but I was rushing to class, so I couldn't open it. I actually got something else with it, but I already opened that one. So I'm just going to... Ooh, it's like a 2-piece. Let me try it on. Okay, so the top is kind of small. I wish this wasn't happening, but the trousers fit. It's like fits nicely. Oh my god. Basically it goes like all the way up here, and it's like I feel like so I'm probably like never going to wear the top unless I lose weight or something. But the trousers are fine actually. I like it. It's comfortable. I'm wearing the old top. I mean the top I just removed. They're both blue anyways, so it doesn't matter. Back to my flowers. Oh my god. To be honest, I don't think I know exactly how I want to do it, because I actually have had them for like 2 days now and I didn't do anything to it, so I think they're dying. But I have to tie my hair because I genuinely don't want to have to go through styling it again tomorrow, because the gel is going to remove and I don't want to go through that basically. Okay, I haven't eaten all day. Okay, I ate something, but it's like, all right. You're so pretty. This is basically a flower unboxing. You put in the water, like in the flowers. I wish I was using this Samsung or like all these Chinese phones that like you just do your hand and like the screen would like zoom in or something like it does on FaceTime. But anyways, the flowers actually fell. So sad. Okay. The way I cut part of the roots off or something, I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I think I should do that because it's kind of like dying already. I don't know how to go about this. You know what? I think I'll just. Oh my god. I think I'll just leave it like this. Okay, so this is the vase that I bought. It's so cute. And it actually wasn't expensive. It was £4. Ugh. Okay, let's get some water. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this on the bed, but okay. If I put this like this, it's going to be like. So I think I genuinely have to cut it regardless. I don't think I want to cut anymore. This is like really hectic. So this is what I have now.
You and I'ma do it all day. Dudes love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Females be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck.
Everybody love me.